I'm going to show you why my raw brownies are the best and healthiest. Watch to the end and you will find the answer. Being raw vegan doesn't mean that you have to give up the things you love. For me, it is brownies. I am going to show you how to make raw vegan brownies that is delicious and very healthy. You can eat it in the morning, afternoon, or evening without any guilt. It is all plant-based and it is very nutritious. Here are the ingredients: avocado, pineapple for sweeteners, walnuts, of course, oat powder, you can substitute for almond powder, maca powder, cacao powder, and cinnamon. Maca is a root that has grown in the ground in South America and East Mountains. It has many benefits. It boosts energy and strength. It reduces aging and builds skin and collagen. Also, it balances the hormones. We have so much excess estrogen in our environment and we need this to balance our hormones. It costs a little more than cacao. It is better to be strong and healthy than weak and tired. Now I am going to put these together and mix it and put the dehydrator. That's how simple it is. Now I'm going to blend the avocado and pineapple together. So I'll probably do this in 2 or 3 batches.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
I just mixed and blend the avocado and pineapple together. Now I'm going to put all the dry ingredients into this, mix it, and put it into a batch and dehydrate. This is the oat powder and the cacao powder, maca powder, cinnamon. I will just eyeball it, make a little more. Probably a 1/4 cup. The one thing good about doing raw vegan is that and taste it and see how you like it and add any ingredients more or less. Once it's done, it's going to be very good. And of course, walnuts. I put walnuts in here and also walnuts. Then I'm going to add some more of the other ingredients because I did use a lot of avocado and pineapple. I'm going to add some more ingredients. Okay, so here it is. Here's the batch. I added more oats powder, maca, and a little of the cacao, a little cinnamon. So it thickens up. So you just add as much so that there's consistency that thickens. The one thing good about doing raw vegan is that you can eat this and still be very healthy and good. So let me try it. Spoon, try it out. I did try it already. Yeah. So that's what it is. That's how you do it. You mix all the ingredients together, taste it to the consistency and flavor you like, and put into a mold container. I put a parchment so it'll be easier to take it out. Add some more cupcakes. Eating raw vegan is very delicious, but when you mix them all together, it is heavenly. Heaven. It's much better than any cooked food. When you don't cook the food, the enzyme is still there. The nutrition is still there. And it helps and builds the body up. Because whatever we do, we have toxins everywhere. But when you eat these live food, it cleans the system. It kills the bad stuff, get rid of it, and retain the strong and healthy. For example, our hair falls down. They do need to fall down, but they need to grow back. If it doesn't grow back, we are in trouble. Just like our skin and bone, old material fall out, gets eliminated, and new growth has to grow back. That's how people get strong and healthy. When you don't grow back the skin, the hair, the bones, whatever, everything, then you're deteriorating and dying. Get into this raw vegan to be strong and healthy. Okay, this is the last batch I did was more of the cacao. It's a little darker, so it was a little bitter. So I decided to be less cacao and less bitter. Okay, so here are the brownies. I put in the mold. So now I am going to put in dehydrator. I didn't use all the avocado because I put the whole pineapple and it was just sweet enough. So I wish it had more pineapple so I can use all of the avocado and make more of that. But it is going to be delicious. I did them already and it was heavenly. So now I'm going to put it into the dehydrator. So I want to show you these. Look at that. So here is the raw brownie. I am going to put into a dehydrator and let it run overnight. This is the raw brownie in the muffin format. I normally set it at 104 Fahrenheit. The time over 10 hours, I'll increase it to, let's say, 14. In 6 hours or so, I am going to monitor it and take, if it's dry enough, I'm going to take this out of the aluminum pan because it will speed up the process of drying. That's it, guys, and basically it's very easy. You mix all the ingredients together and dehydrate, and wait. I'll see you later once it's done. Here are my raw brownies. It took 2 days or more to dehydrate. I like it dry, so I kept it a little longer. There are 3 types of brownies: cooked brownies, other raw brownies, and my raw brownies. Which one's the best? My raw brownies. Why? First, cooked brownies has sugar, flour, eggs, and oil, which our body hates. Cooked brownies and other cooked dessert cause acne, inflammation, pain, and worst of all, cancer, diabetes. 2. Other raw brownies use agave and honey to sweeten it. It is the only ingredient I do not have in my raw brownies. Agave and honey are better than sugar. Other raw brownies are better than cooked brownies, but they're not better than my brownies. My best brownies use raw pineapple. Raw pineapple has the sweets, fiber, and nutrition all combined in one that you cannot find in sugar, agave, and honey. Our body loves raw pineapple, and in return, it will reward us with energy, vitality, and full of life. What's the taste? It is moist and chewy, just like any cooked brownies. It also has great chocolate flavor. We raw vegan can have it all. Great taste, great health, energy, and beauty. I am a reformed eater, and I've eaten all cooked junk food. And I know that cooked dessert will cause harm to the body. It may taste great, but it is deadly. One small pimple on the face or body is telling you that you have eaten one too much junk. If you do not change to raw vegan plant-based, your body will break down and you will lose the energy and vitality. If you eat my raw brownies, you will be full of life and in great spirit. If you like this content video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.